To know what is? I know. Good. That letter is. That letter is. Letter. Tan, 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 tan. Letter Q. Can you say it? Q. 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 The sound of letter Q. Qua, qua, qua. Qua, qua, qua. The sound of letter Q. Qua, qua, qua. Hey. I have picture. Tan, tan, tan. Is she beautiful, baby? Yeah, she is a queen. Can you say it? Queen. Queen. Stephen, can you say it? Queen. Qua, qua, queen. Qua, qua, queen. Q for queen. Q for queen. Qua, qua, queen. Okay. One more. When you hear a loudly sound from the kid, you say, shh, quiet. Shh, quiet. That is quiet. Quiet. Stephen, can you say it? Q for quiet. Quiet, please, Stephen. One more. That is animal. That is animal. We say quill. Stephen, can you say it? Quill. Qua, qua, quill. Q for quill. Q for quill. Okay? One more last is that. Question. Question. When people don't know, you ask. Okay? It means question. Teacher, I ask one question. Okay, say again. Q for question. Q for queen. Yeah. Q for quiet. Q for quill. Q for quiet. Q for quill. Q for queen. Q for question. This is quiet. This is queen. This is quiet. Queen. Quiet. Queen. Quiet. Queen. Quiet. Queen. Quiet. Queen. Quiet. Queen. Quiet. Which one is quiet? Shh. Quiet, baby. Shh. Good job, Stephen. You know quiet. Can you clap your hand? Clap your hand to yourself, baby. Congratulations. This is quiet. Very good. Which one is queen? Beautiful queen. Beautiful queen. Really? That is correct. She is queen. Beautiful queen. Good job, baby. Queen. Qua, qua, queen. Qua, qua, quiet. Okay, one more. question? I don't know. So I ask the question. This is the animal quill. Question, quill, question, quill, question, quill, question, quill, question. Which one is question? I don't know. So I ask question. Good job! Well done, baby Pung. That is question. Question. You don't know, you ask question to teacher or mommy or daddy. Which one is quill animal? Quill animal. Baby animal. This is question. Oh, you like question? You like question? You want to ask question? You can ask me. Okay? You can ask me. That's glue tack. Mommy will stick it on the board. Okay, baby? Quill animal. Quill. 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 Which one is quill? Animal, baby. Animal. Animal, baby. Animal. Animal. Quill. Good job. That is quill. That is animal. Animal. Okay? Quill. Slip-on, can you say it? Quill. Q for quill. Q for question. Q for quiet. Q for queen. Mommy, can you give it to mommy? Mommy will stick it on the board after that. You will play it later. Can you? Thank you, Slip-on. Thank you for giving me back. Okay, say again. Q. 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 Good job. Today we study letter Q. Yay! Q. 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 This is letter P. We already learned. Which one is letter Q? Good job. That is letter Q. We studied today. Okay. Q. The sound of letter Q. Qua, qua, qua. Qua, qua, qua. Yes, so today we finish our lesson. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Hello, mommy and daddy. Welcome back to Smart Boy channel again. Thank you for watching all my video. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget now, subscribe, like, and share. You will see the next video. Thank you again. Bye bye.